Morning. Good morning. Ang lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. Good morning. What a cloudy morning. It's early day. And it's raining. What can I do? It's Friday morning, and it's heavy rain. Heavy raining. It's heavy rain. Time check. It's only 8:30 in the morning. The rain starts at night until now. Oh, there's already a thunderstorm. Oh, see? It's getting a little bit, not too much raining, but in the night it's heavy rain. Heavy rain. Down there's a olive tree and calamansi tree and lemon tree and eucalyptus, the big eucalyptus that's under this building. It's Friday, Shabbat Shalom, everybody. There's a little bit flowers. It's in the park, playing ground, and then sofa chair. We'll see, there's a another thunderstorm. That's why it's noisy up. It's a little bit raining, not too much. It's better than Balayla at night. Now it's very cold, of course. Nothing to do. Just to see the view. The view. It's just a little bit raining, not too much. Or the dog are staying on this one. People are going to work. Even if it's raining. Can we see the skies? The skies. Oh, the birds are flying. What a nice day. Okay, it's Friday morning. Time check again. It's already small. 8:35 in the morning. It's only 8:35 in the morning, and it's raining and cloudy. Cloudy. So what can we do? Just to take a cup of coffee and sleep. You see again, this eucalyptus is almost 100 years old. They cut the trees so that it will not falling. It's almost 100 years old. This one, the eucalyptus trees. It's very long, see? Very long. Okay, bye. See you again in my next video. Thank you so much and good luck everybody. Have a little nap time. Bye. See you soon.